And here's my big tripod, which I had when I used to do magazine writing. It's got this quick grip on the top, so you just squeeze it and point. That's very quick to do. There's the adapter on the top. It's called a Benbo. Slacken that and these wobble all over the place. Described as wrestling with bagpipes, but it's great for this sort of stuff. And a little peek behind the curtain. This is a little tripod, and I've got these adapters on it. So this is a phone mount, for instance, and then that just clicks in, so I can swap phone and camera very easily. So if this ever gets edited together, there's the camera looking down, ready to record the cut. This is the biggest of these that I've had, and I've worn a few of the more flimsy ones out. Some of them have magnetic feet, but these are extremely flexible, so you can wrap them around a fence or whatever else. And often I'll stand things, on paint pots or whatever else I've got to try and get the angle right. The big tripod tends to stay at the other end, and I can come down here and use this tripod. So I'll do this one-handed. So it just clips in nicely. I can use that down here. It's pretty decent. It's not as good as the other one, but it's good enough.